And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
This is Sea Lion leader Marla Kotecki with this week's announcements. State testing continues all week long. Remember to be quiet and courteous in the hallway so our scholars can concentrate. The Wax Museum is back. You'll get a chance to visit the Wax Museum with your class during the week. Be sure to express your appreciation to our second graders who have worked so hard on their presentations. Each year, the fifth graders travel to Los Alamitos High School to visit the chemistry lab. Miss Salmones and Miss Alvarado go first on Monday. The fifth grade Mother's Day picnic happens on Monday during lunch. Moms are the best.
I agree.
On Tuesday, it's Miss Breedlove's turn to visit the high school. Have fun! Head of the class is back. We're going to have our guest teachers and administrators on Wednesday. Thank you for donating to Project Seek. Our Honorary Service Awards ceremony is happening on Wednesday morning. Congratulations to Miss Duncan, Miss Alvarado, and Mr. Larson. We also want to congratulate Miss Freytet, Miss Geroff, Miss Hanseth, Miss Hoisington, Miss Pearson, Miss Villa, and our friends at Automotive Excellence. The fifth grade social is happening at the middle schools on Wednesday at 3:30. Kinder Meet and Greet is happening on Wednesday night at 5 o'clock. We are so excited to share the McGaw vision with our newest students. Friday is the last day of Reading Lab. Thank you to Miss Richmond, Miss Wolf, Miss Hughes, and for all your hard work. We also want to say thank you to all the students who visit the Reading Lab this year. Your hard work has made all the difference. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
It's Teacher Appreciation Week. Thank you to all our teachers and to our aides, office staff, and custodians, and our principals. Bye. Thank you.
Hey, Sea Lion community. I just wanted to share my deepest appreciation for all the hard work that you put into Teacher Appreciation Week. All week long, our entire staff has been filled with love and kindness because of your generosity. Thank you so much for taking the time to set up all the doors, for providing us with lunch, providing us with gifts like gift cards and cool crumble cookies and all the other wonderful things, and just for being there throughout the year to make this school a world-class place to learn. We appreciate you, and I'm so grateful to be a part of this community.
Welcome to the Drunk Show. Kindergarten.
Our first Rawbuck winner comes from UTK. Congratulations to Sammy Kawasme. Sammy has been eagerly participating in class and doing a fantastic job on his work. He's been very hardworking, and we see his efforts. Way to go, Sammy.
First grade.
Our Rawbucks winner in first grade is Ruthie Welsh. Ruthie helped a hurt UTK student find the office. Hey, thanks for the help and for making sure they were safe. We appreciate you, Ruthie.
Second grade.
Our winner in second grade is Miss Annie Bagwell. Miss Angie says that Annie was reminding others to use kind words and to be in the moment and to live your best life. You are amazing, Annie. Thanks so much.
Third grade.
Mrs. Lupescu wants to say thank you to third grader Emerson Langston. Emerson won a Rawbuck because she was being helpful and looking out for fellow students. Thanks so much for being safe and always so aware.
Fourth grade.
Congratulations to a student in Dr. Arias' class. Way to go to Ryder Rail. Ryder saved the class when the lock block stopped working, and he found the door stop and thought proactively. If he didn't do this, he would have been locked out of class. Ryder's also been making some great decisions out there and helping others. We really appreciate your hard work and thoughtfulness, Ryder.
5th grade.
And our final winner in 5th grade is Amaya Sals. She earned Secret Student, which means she was being aware. She was hardworking and doing her best in class. Thanks so much, Amaya.
Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.